Many business owners in Davao City expressed their frustrations over Mayor Sebastian Duterte's strict enforcement of business permits and building inspections. But behind that strictness lies a simple reason: safety.
Mitingog na si Davao City Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte kalabot sa kung anong dugay ang pag-issue business o building permit sa syudad.
Gusto na ko mahibaw mo, ginaprotektahan lang yun nato. Nako atong lugar. Bilang mayor ninyo, protektahan ang interest sa kadaghanan. Tanawa na mga natural disaster ka na mga yun, na apektado ta anak karon. Mauna diha ra ko, kung asa dagan apektado didto ra ko.
He wasn't doing it to make things hard for business owners, nor for his own gain. He wanted to make sure that every establishment in the city follows the right process, that buildings are safe, legal, and compliant. That's why he remains firm, not to hinder progress, but to make sure that progress stands on solid, safe ground. For Davao City, and for every Davaoeño.
Yan, DepEd Secretary Sani Angara at Mindanao Development Authority Secretary Leo Magno.
The initial assessment is, at least for structural issues, infrastructure issues, the roads are passable, the bridges are passable. Right now, at least goods and relief can flow into the affected areas, especially in Davao Oriental from Davao.
Nagbiyahe po kami from Davao City to here. Considering na malakas yung lindol, wala ho masyadong visible na damage. Bakit ho kaya? Despite the two doublet daw ho, dalawang malakas na lindol.
I cannot say.
Pero bakit ho?
I cannot say. Well, awa ng Diyos. Awa ng Diyos. Okay tayo dito.
Okay ho pagkakagawa kaya ng mga structure? Ganun po
It's
ba?
possible, or maybe it's also because the effects of the quake were not as strong as the one in Cebu. No? But we will leave that up to the
Experts.
PhilVox and the expert.
Tama ho ba isipin na dahil handa yung mga tao o sanay na sila sa lindol this part of Mindanao, kaya wala hong masyadong casualties and damage
Katulad
to
ng
property?
sinabi ni Sec Vince kanina, hintayin siguro natin kung ano yung tama talagang assessment. Pero siguro, dahil na rin sa biyaya ba ng Diyos, nagpapasalamat kami na hindi masyado malaki ang danyos.
Sa kuna structural, kailangan siguro yung standards natin, medyo paigtingin natin to withstand stronger earthwoods, stronger typhoons. I think that's one of the lessons.
Less kurakot na po.
Opo.
Oh, definitely. Sa lahat.
100%.
Across the board yun. Across the board dapat yun.
Thank you po.
Thank you,
Salamat
ma'am.
po.